Hello everyone, welcome to my latest Prepper Pantry grocery haul. I'm Rebecca from Simple Suburban Living, soon to be from StockingMyPantry.com. I'll be changing my channel name coming up here soon. But anyway, I wanted to share my latest shopping trip with you, and I'll just kind of talk you through it, and then I'll be sure to put up the prices for all of the items. So I tried to kind of organize them a little bit based on different categories. So I'm going to start off with meats. Now, I didn't buy a ton of meat, but I'm trying to gradually add to my meat stash. I do some canning of meat myself, but sometimes it's nice to just get these canned items from the store as well. And so, like, let me look at the expiration date. This is used by October 23. So that is almost 3-year shelf life. So that's good. So I've got 2 cans of the Great Value roast beef. I got 2 5-ounce cans of Hormel smoked ham and 1 can of the Great Value pulled pork. So since I haven't tried these before, I wanted to buy just small quantities of them and give them a try. And then if I like them, I will buy more. Okay. Next, I bought a 16-ounce package of Great Value wide egg noodles. And this was to replace some egg noodles that I just used. And that's a lot of my shopping at this point. I am building my pantry, but I'm also maintaining my pantry. So if I use something, then I buy the same thing to replace what I already used. And just on Sunday, I used some egg noodles, so bought some new ones. I got a variety of sauces. I got Pace Picante sauce, Frank's Red Hot Wings sauce. I got 2 types of Tabasco sauce. I got this smoked red jalapenos, and I also got this milder green jalapeno. I also bought some Great Value Worcestershire sauce and some Great Value soy sauce. Now, I'm not going to give away yet what I'm going to do with these, but I've got a project, a dehydrating experiment that I'm going to do with these. And so I will be sharing about those soon. So it may be a total flop, we'll see. But I'm going to see what I can do with Worcestershire sauce and soy sauce. As is typical, I bought some canned goods. Let me actually first talk about these 2 items. One thing that is missing in my pantry is cheese. I know that you can get like freeze-dried cheese and that type of thing, and I don't really have cheese in my pantry. So I'm starting to experiment. This is just my first experiments with this. This is just Campbell's cheddar cheese soup and Ragu double cheddar. And it says made with real cheese, but obviously these are not the best. But if you want to have kind of a cheesy flavor, I thought these would be worth trying. I just recently tried a recipe where I used this classic Alfredo sauce. I like the recipe, and so I purchased the ingredients to make it 2 more times. And so that's one way I'm slowly building my pantry. If I try a recipe that I like, then I buy everything that I need to make it a couple more times. And then I'll just continue to replace it every time I use it. So 2 of the Great Value Classic Alfredo pasta sauce. They are each 16 ounces. A can of cream of mushroom soup. And I have quite a bit of cream of mushroom on hand already, but I got this free using the Ibotta app. And I'll actually leave my referral link, my Ibotta referral link, in the description. So anyway, that's one way that I'm building my pantry, is using that app to get discounts, or sometimes to get things for free. I mentioned that I bought the Alfredo sauce to make a recipe that I had tried and liked, and that recipe also called for canned carrots. And I used home canned carrots, but I thought it wouldn't hurt to go ahead and buy some from the store. So these are Great Value sliced carrots, 2 cans of that, and 2 cans of Great Value chicken broth. Okay, I also bought a package of the Bisquick cheese and garlic, or cheese garlic biscuits. I've shown videos where I've used this before in a chicken pot pie that I make, and I made this just recently, so I wanted to buy another package of this to replace the one that I used. I got this package of 12 Great Value taco shells. I have canned some taco meat, and so I wanted to buy some taco shells to have on hand. And I got this little canister of, let's see, it is 20 ounces of Great Value sun-dried raisins. We eat raisins with our granola pretty much every day, so we go through them pretty fast, and we have a fair amount on hand. But the last time I went to the store, the last time before this time, they were all out of these. And that's one thing that I do. If I notice that the shelves are empty one of the times when I go to the store, then I keep it on my radar and I'm sure to buy some the next time that I go. So they were out the last time that I went. So today when I saw these on the shelves, I went ahead and grabbed one. I also got these Honey Made graham crackers. I have lately been buying the Great Value graham crackers for only $1. And but again, on the Ibotta app, this was featured today when I went. And so I got them for, after I get the money back from Ibotta, I think I ended up paying 24 cents or something for these. Okay, I mentioned that we have granola pretty much every day. So I bought 3 boxes of this Quaker Simply granola. That was another one of my Ibotta deals. I think it was 75 cents off each box. And then finally, I purchased a 48-ounce can. So that's 3 pounds of classic roast ground coffee. And again, just a Great Value brand. Thankfully, we are all quite happy with this. I know some people would probably turn up their nose at it, but we actually like this coffee just fine. And it's reasonably priced, so purchase that. And now the other things that I bought are non-food items. They're more fit into the hygiene category. Okay, so I got a lot that fits into the dental hygiene category. And all of these things, the reason why I got as many of them as I did is because they were on Ibotta and they were things that I need to buy anyway. And so I think that the coupon was you can buy 4 of something, or, you know, that type of thing. You could buy multiples. So that's why I have a lot of the same things. I got these Listerine breath strips. I got one that is the Cool Heat, and these are a 3-pack, and then also a 3-pack of the Listerine Fresh Burst, and finally for a 3-pack of the Cool Mint Pocket Packs. I got 2 of these that are the Crest Gum Detoxify. Four tubes of Colgate Total SF. And then 1 tube of the Colgate Max Fresh. And the last thing is something that probably all of us will strive to never run out of again, and that is toilet paper. Now, we have a decent amount of toilet paper, but it's been at least a few weeks, maybe even a month since I have bought any, and I don't have a ton. And so I'm starting to see shortages and limits and things like that on toilet paper. So we bought this package of, it's 16 rolls of Great Value toilet paper. And so that's all for this time. A lot of these are to fill in some gaps in my pantry. So I mentioned that I don't have a lot of meat, so that's why I bought the canned meats. Or I have certain meats. I have a lot of chicken, I have Spam, I have tuna, but I didn't have any, well, I guess Spam and hams are kind of a similar type of product. Other than a small amount of beef that I have canned, I didn't have any beef, so that's why I purchased the roast beef here. So it was filling in the gaps. So that's something I'm starting to try to do now, is think about what kind of things that I'm really like have nothing of, and buying a small amount to try them out. The same was true of buying the cheese types of things. Again, this is not going to take the place of real cheese, but it's nice to have something like that that is shelf stable. And then in some cases it was to replace items that I'd used, such as using the chicken broth. So buying more to be able to make a recipe again that we tested out and liked. So that's it for this time. I hope that you enjoyed this grocery haul, and if you haven't already done so, I'd really appreciate it if you would like this video, and of course if you would subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on future hauls, and obviously so you also don't miss out on the interesting thing I'm going to try with the Worcestershire sauce, or however you say that, and soy sauce. Thanks so much, everyone. Have a great day.